Happy Wednesday, boys and girls. Okay, today we're going to continue working with our prefixes. Our objective for today is I can read 3 out of 4 words containing prefixes. Okay, our teacher-only page. We're going to work on removing phonemes. Remember, a phoneme is just a sound. Okay, say the word making. Now, take out the ing. What's the new word? Good, make. Your next word, say flowers. Now take out the z. What is the new word? Good, flower. Your next word, Clark. Say Clark. Take off the coal. What's your new word? Good, arc. Say the word around. Now take off the What's the new word? Good, round. Okay, here's our practice with our silent letters. Remember words with K, N, G, N, W, R. When you have a K followed by an N, we just hear the N. When you have G followed by N, you just hear the N. And when you have W followed by R, you just hear the Let's go ahead and practice reading these words. Ready? Ring, no, gnats, wrong, no, need, signs, gnashes, knives. Nice job. Let's review our words with that aw sound spelled with A-U, A-W, and A-L. Look at your first word. Ready? Paw, haunt, chalk. Next row. Pause, Laura, that's my older sister's name, lawn, sauce, raw, walks. Great job. Okay, our fluency phrases. Ready? So they do not start with a capital letter, and you'll notice there's no period at the end. A phrase is just a part of a sentence. Let's read them. Ready? Because I said so. Again, because I said so. Next one. It looks flawless. Again, it looks flawless. Next one. Chocolate malt. Again, chocolate malt. Lock it in the vault. Again, lock it in the vault. Last one. Dr. Seuss is an author. Again, Dr. Seuss is an author. Okay, your fluency practice. Let me move this video down here. Okay, we're once again looking at words that have K-N, G-N, and W-R. Ready? I bought a cute gnome for my garden. He has a wrinkle on his face. I placed him between the roses and the sunflowers. The gnats like to land on it. I hope I don't knock it over. Let's do it again together. Ready? I bought a cute gnome for my garden. He has a wrinkle on his face. I placed him between the roses and the sunflowers. The gnats like to land on it. I hope I don't knock it over. Nice reading. Remember, we always want to read the way we speak. Not too fast and not too slow. Okay, this is a review of our prefixes. So the 2 prefixes we are working on this week are re and un. The prefix re is added to a root or base word like paint. It means to do it again, like repaint, to paint again. The prefix un can be added to a root or base word. It means not or to remove. So unfair means not fair. Okay, my turn. Right away, I notice I have a prefix un. Then I'm looking at my vowels and I notice I have vowel consonant E. That magic E will tell A to say A. I can read the word. unsafe. Unsafe means not safe. Okay, your turn. Your first word, you have a prefix. Look at it. Re. Let's read it. Rerun. Next one, look at your prefix un. Okay, I also see uck in here. Ready? Unlucky. That means not lucky. Your next one, here's your prefix re. Let's read it. Reshape. To shape again. Shape has that magic E telling A to say A. It also has a digraph. Shh. Reshape. Last word, look at your prefix. Ready? Un. Read it. Untie. And that IE is a member of vowel teams. You got two vowels together that make the one sound. IE is just saying I. Untie. Okay, now it's your turn to try to get 3 out of 4 correct. Look at your very first word. Read it. Unclean. Good. It means not clean. Look at your second word. Read it. Good. Reshape. That's 2 correct. Look at your third word. Read it. Good. Unlock. That's 3. And your last word, look at it. Go ahead and try to read that. Good. Retell, to tell again. If you got them all correct, you got 4 out of 4. Let me go ahead to our last page. Ready? I can read 4 out of 4 words containing prefixes. Great job today, everybody. Thanks for participating.